Setting up YouTube TV on a Hisense TV is simple, especially if your TV runs Android TV or Google TV. Here's how to get it installed and ready in just a few minutes. Start by turning on your Hisense TV and pressing the Home button on your remote. Navigate to the Google Play Store, Android TV models, or Apps section, Google TV models. In the search bar, type YouTube TV. Select the official YouTube TV app and click Install. Wait a few seconds for the installation to finish. Once installed, return to your home screen and open the YouTube TV app. Choose Sign In, and an activation code will appear on the screen. On your phone or computer, go to tv.youtube.com/start and enter the code. Log in with your Google account linked to your YouTube TV membership. Your full YouTube TV interface, Live Guide, Library, and Home will load instantly. Use your Hisense remote to switch channels, browse shows, and manage DVR recordings. If you don't see the YouTube TV app in the store, your Hisense model may not support it. Updating your TV's software often fixes this. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.